Welcome back. Of late, you would have seen on my videos and social media me mentioning a group of guys, not exclusively guys, but a group of guys at this point of time that I referred to as the Thin Blue Diggers. Chaz, Flash, Smiley, Rabs, there's a few others that you don't see very often. All these guys are either serving or ex-law enforcement officers. And we're just a group of guys out having some fun, covering a bit of history, and I make the videos of it all. Chaz and Flash went out just recently and had an absolute cracker of a day. They smashed it. I hope you enjoy the video.
Solid 31, every direction.
Awesome. This is very close to where the 1860s halfpenny came from.
Right there.
Which was just over there.
Still on the ground. Oh, it's massive, whatever it is.
Oh, wow.
Base off
It's brass, is it? Yeah.
yeah.
It's like a candelabra or something.
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
Oh, God, it's a cracker, whatever it is. Geez, that rung up well. No surprises there.
Glad I didn't bend it. Nice. Right, solid 24. Not deep down. Ooh, cock guts.
Nice. Oh, a military belt buckle, you know. A bit of shape to it, hasn't it? Spoon. That's what it is. There's the shank. Oh, it's a big dessert spoon. Big. Yeah. Hopefully intact.
Yeah, it keeps going back.
It's a big one. Oh, it's a ladle. Okay.
We'll come back to you.
And Flash is back with a live dig. It's his coin day. We've only just come on from a couple of modern coins that I've pulled out. He's called it early.
That's a coin. It's a coin all day.
It's a coin all day long, this one, so.
Still in the hole.
It's proving elusive.
Just adding to the suspense.
And getting deeper.
Getting closer. There you go.
Oh, is that something round?
Thought it was. It's got to get like this.
We'll get back to you.
Right there.
Alright, we're back, and the coin all day is not a coin all day. But it's looking pretty nice, I've got to say. I don't know if you can get in there, me getting in the picture, but nice bit of green.
It was gold gilt.
Looking like a belt buckle.
Definitely.
Have we got anything on it, on the front of it? I'm hoping cricket, but looks like
She's
might have
smooth.
lost the boss. Still a nice piece. Beautiful piece. Coin every day.
Alright, just had a really solid tone here. Turns out it is a brass stirrup. Great condition, solid brass. Very nice.
Oh, a military belt buckle, you know. A bit of shape to it, isn't it? Spoon. That's what it is. There's the shank. Oh, it's a big dessert spoon. Big. Hopefully intact.
Yeah, it keeps going back.
It's a big one. Oh, it's a ladle. Okay.
We'll come back to you.
Perfectly intact. However, I didn't do that. And oh, it's gilt as well. Oh, nice hallmarks. Actually readable. Oh, it's EPNS. It's only plated. No, pretty modern.
That's
well.
fine. So, just pop that lock plate out.
This just came out. It looks like we're getting closer to where an old house was built. It's got a couple of little markings, a couple of little stars. Hopefully when it cleans up we'll get a maker's mark. Flash is called it. That's another silver. Yeah, it's a copper.
It's a coin.
Copper. It's a penny.
1919.
Beautiful. Geez, that popped beautifully. Oh,
Imprint and
well
everything.
Alright, another find. Awesome.
It's about 8 inches down. It's obviously a penny, but I haven't cleaned it up yet. So. It's a George.
Another King George.
Yep.
Australian. Can we get a date?
Yeah, Rue penny. 1938.
1938. Awesome find. And Flash has called us over for
Solid 29.
another good signal. Very close to where we found a half penny.
And we've got a
oh,
coin.
Look at that. Lovely.
Another George.
This is earlier, isn't it?
George the 6th, that'll be newer. Rue penny. Yeah, 1943.
Yeah, it's still cracking condition, isn't it? Awesome. Come on, Flash.
I almost didn't dig that. It wasn't.
Flash is onto something else. Good sig.
Yeah, so a solid 31. We have a coin.
Oh, awesome. And it's copper or silver? Copper.
It's modernish.
It's a copper. It's not a 2-cent piece, is it? No.
No,
Harder than
I don't recognise it, whatever it is.
I'll give it some water. Clean.
I definitely don't recognise whatever it is.
We'll get back to you. Okay, we're back and we're excited because we've got Britannia on one side and a KG early King George. We
Maybe
just
the
need the
third or
date.
the fourth.
There's Britannia on the other side and we're going for the date.
Looks like 18. No, that's That's the floral. It must be on this side.
We don't get these often.
I think that's the date under his head there, which is 1826.
Awesome find, Flash. Awesome find. 1826.
Right, bit of a video fail there, but 1943 George VI.
So Flash has called us over. He's
Solid
strike
22.
rate, awesome strike rate today. He's got something out of the hole.
Here, and we've got another coin.
Oh, you awesome.
That's a George the Sixth. So it's a lot
Bit more
newer.
modern. Nice
George the
coppers.
Sixth.
They're coming out of the ground beautifully here. Look at this soil. It's just so easy to dig. We're being spoilt today. Copper Fest.
1946 halfpenny.
Beautiful work. Love your work. Getting some good practice with my plugs. Looks like a King George. Australian. And we're looking at 1949. Good condition.
They've got a solid 14 on the Equinox. I've uncovered the corner here, and she's definitely round. We have a George 52.
Alright, looks like Flash may have done it again with a silver find. It's looking pretty good in the plug. Should be easy to... These coins have been awesome. Coming out fresh as the day they went in.
It's got the Australian coat of arms on it.
Okay.
1918.
Wow. Beautiful. Nice work, mate. One.
Alright. Scratchy tone, almost didn't dig it. And now it's popped a little,
Yeah, she is.
a little threepence,
A little silver.
which we haven't cleaned up yet. But
What are we
it's
looking
a
at?
George the Fifth. 1920.
Woo! Nice
Nice.
one. Can you get a close up? Ripper.
So I just popped this one out of the hole. And looks like a threepence. I think it's 1958. Right, tailgate wrap up. Shows his finds.
Yeah, spoon, toy truck. Looks like an old switch with a porcelain brass switch. Little tiny iron, which is very interesting. The old harmonica blade. That's my modern 10 and 20 cents. I've got the 1930 halfpenny. Can't even remember what that one was. 1949 halfpenny, and that was my hold 1867 halfpenny. A couple of lead bag seals, which one's got New South Wales, one's got Australia on it. A couple of buckles, and that's me.
Alright, Flash's finds. We've got a couple of buckles, big brass stirrup, harmonica reed. This does look like it was some type of belt buckle, clasp, watch, lock plate, don't know what that is, axe head. We've got the 1918, 1920 and 1938 threepences, half penny, a 1919 penny, the 18 26, I think it's a halfpenny. 1807. A whole bunch of Australian 1950s pennies. The axe head. And a whole pile of trash.